If you're looking to make your narcissistic ex realize what they're missing, it's essential to establish your independence and happiness post-breakup. Start by ignoring their attempts to contact you. This shows you're not under their control and can make them anxious about losing you for good. Use social media to showcase your joyful moments and reconnect with friends, reinforcing that you don't need them in your life. If you feel ready, casually dating others can further emphasize your ability to move on. It's crucial to set firm boundaries and remain calm if they try to provoke you, using neutral responses to deflect criticism. Focus on personal growth and self-improvement, which will demonstrate your strength and resilience. Finally, after some time apart, consider complimenting them to rekindle their interest, but be prepared to take some responsibility for the breakup if it leads to a potential reconciliation.